In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify contact form email address. This is the email where messages from your store's contact form are sent, so it's important that it goes to an inbox you actually check. Maybe you've hired a support person, changed your business email, or just want to clean up your notifications. Whatever the reason, updating this in Shopify only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. From there, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you can see your orders, products, and analytics. We'll be working from this home screen. On the bottom left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu option called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new page with a list of different sections that control how your store works behind the scenes. On the Settings page, look for the section labeled General. Depending on your layout, you might either see a row with a small pen or edit icon next to it, or you might see General listed as an option you can click into. If you see the pen icon next to the first row in the General section, click that. If not, simply click on General and then look for the first row where you can edit your store information. Inside the General settings, you'll see your basic store details, including your store name. Just below your store name, there's a field labeled Store Email. This is the email address Shopify uses for things like the contact form and some store notifications. Click into the store email field, delete the old address if needed, and type in the new email you want to use. Make sure it's an email you have access to, and double check for any typos, because any mistakes here mean you might miss important customer messages. Once you've entered the correct new email address, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page. Click Save to apply your changes. Wait a moment for Shopify to confirm that your settings have been updated. That's it. Your Shopify contact form will now send messages to your new email address. If you want to be extra sure, you can go to your store's contact page, submit a quick test